Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Residents of Taribari sector in Meghalaya, Assam border opted for Meghalaya. GSU leaders closed the entrance gate of NEHU campus, Tura. Second Inter-Mari football tournament kicks off today at Chanmari Playground. And lucky owner found her missing car abandoned on the roadside. And now the news in detail. Leaders of National People's Youth Fund NPYF through its spokesperson Shri Bajop Pingrop, MDC Rambrai constituency, has clarified that the recent problems in Taribari sector Meghalaya Assam border was due to the misinformation and instigation of some people of Assam who tried to convince residents in these areas to remain in Assam. Shri Pingrop informed that 80% of the residents have opted and preferred to remain in Meghalaya, while only 20% desired to be on the Assam side.
Ka demarcation kadang sa, ka demarcation long ka joint survey jong ka survey of Meghalaya, survey of Assam, but ka survey of India. Te ka jingjang tu kalau ba kini ki prapu persen pat ki nyon ni kini ki 40% mi ke jingkrumar. Hadir mami jingkrumar kini ki 40% part ki badang support ba ka Assam ki file ya ka FIR support buku thanan. Jadi hadir nang ta ba ki sa syakyam bat sami kita ba ong ba nreipat dengi ong pat ya ka bami apa newspaper report ba kitu ki Shillong ki badan hantu Taribari sector kila syap kuntuk sya Assam. Hendrik kalong kalong misleading yo pat ba namar ba baru kita Shillong ki don be Assam menchua Henry hadin ka MOU kilawan sya Meghalaya.
Leaders and members of the Garo Students' Union, Tura, stopped the entrance gate to the NEHU campus since July 13. According to the leaders of the GSU, the union had made various demands from the NEHU authorities in the last 1 month to look into the various problems faced by the students studying in Tura campus of the university. So far, NEHU has not responded to the demands. The Vice-Chancellor of NEHU at Shillong has assured the unions that he will visit Tura early last week in order to discuss the problems of the students in the campus, but he failed to keep his promises. As a result, the union had closed the entrance gate of the university campus till the Vice-Chancellor visits and solves the problems. It is informed that the Vice-Chancellor will visit the Tura campus on July 18.
Ya cibri bagian assurance kasem di bazaha budi में side effect जान side effect आरो चीज़ तो भी bagian ना उन्हें भी उन्हें fulfill काजा उन्हें चिंगी demand fulfill काजा उन्हें 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 extreme step पर सारा ये इबो वो इबो BC इबो आरो government इबो जेबो इबो 아니 우리가 चिंगी demand को ना 제가 또 동자와 이거 막 시보 우리 이건 다 스프링아 와로 제가 다 바로 가지 스프링아.
The District Sports Office, in collaboration with District Administration and District Football Association, Tura, organized the Mari Football Tournament. To witness the tournament, GHADC CM Shri Albinus R. Marak, along with MDC Nathwil S. Marak, MDC Stevie M. Marak were present during the opening of the tournament, amongst others. One stolen Maruti 800 bearing the registration number WB24C5699 belonged to Srimati Bilyansi Jana was stolen from her compound on May 26 this year, was found lying abandoned on the roadside at Khongdong Umling Rebhoi district on July 9th. The miscreants have repainted the car from off-white to pitch black color. The owner spotted the vehicle abandoned on the roadside while returning from Guwahati on that day. She recognized her property when inspected and found medical prescriptions and the key she kept in the dashboard of her vehicle. Police are still in the lookout for the miscreants.
Fitip badai kali jong, aku no fitip badai kata kali le jong pi, tengok orang ngatip sara mal beli bakadon kasip luar jong ahang ne, tapi orang ati firak tikna badai kali jong pi, orang aja tikna tapi orang pan, tapi haba firak tikna macam mele datara anak siing orang tu, tinggal nak wanrak anak pat siing. Mencari kadai dah kawai dah karong hot kadai karong off white te hadir nantu pat kini kinong tu pat gila rak dah kali kipen kelana pat kena kawai dah karong mentah kalak dah karong yong number plate te ki khambu hi re ba number plate jong dua kali ru mdon sila te ok khambu hi dah way number plate ru iyo khlem number plate tu kali.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.